Now I request our beloved principal, Dr. Shivkumar Aya, to welcome the gathering.
Very good morning to all of you, and hearty greetings from Siddhganga Institute of Technology, an institution ranked among the top 100 engineering institutions for 3 years in a row, along with IITs and NITs under National Institutional Ranking Framework, Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. At the outset, I submit my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness, Dr. Sri Sri Shivkumar Swamiji, Founder, President, Sri Siddhganga Education Society, and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, President, Sri Siddhganga Education Society. Respected Chief Guest of this inaugural function, E.S. Chakravarti, Global Resource Management Head, TCS, my esteemed HODs, Deans, my esteemed colleagues, my dear students and their parents. We have Srinivas Ramanujam from TCS, who is Academic Relationship Manager, and also Benzene Campus Lead, and Sindhuja from TCS. Hearty congratulations to all the students for having chosen SIT for your engineering and architecture studies. We have assembled here for the inauguration of first year classes for the academic year 2018-19, and we start these classes with the blessings of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivkumar Swamiji and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, our revered President, has the onerous responsibility of looking after 125 educational institutions and Sri Siddhganga Gurukula, where 9,000 poor students of all faiths and communities are provided free food, shelter and education. Sri Sri Swamiji is a busy personality. In spite of busy schedule, Swamiji has kindly agreed to grace this occasion and bless all of us today. On behalf of all of us, I extend reverential welcome to His Holiness Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Tata Consultancy Services is a major recruiter of our students every year. TCS starts the placement process in Karnataka from SIT Tumkur. In the year 15-16, TCS offered a record 430 placements to our students, and we have broken the record of Brian Lara's 400 runs. TCS has also instituted Best Student Award and Best Project Award in our institute, and I acknowledge this gesture of TCS with a sense of profound gratitude. SIT TCS family proud member, respected Sri E.S. Chakravarti, Global Resource Management Head, Tata Consultancy Services, used to miss us on earlier occasions due to his hectic engagements, but today he has made it convenient to be with us to inaugurate the first year BEBR classes. Sir, it is a great honor and privilege to have you amidst us, and I extend a very hearty welcome to you, sir. Dear students and parents, you will experience a vibrant inaugural address by Sri E.S. Chakravarti later. Respected Sri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary Sri Siddhganga Education Society, has made it convenient to be the chief guest of this function. He is an embodiment of simple living and high thinking. He works very hard but declines to take credit in utmost humility, and he is our unsung leader. Sir, I extend a very cordial welcome to you. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a very hearty welcome to Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, our respected director, who is our friend, philosopher and guide. I request him to preside over this inaugural function and deliver presidential address. It gives me great pleasure in extending a very warm welcome to all the first year students and their respected parents. I extend a very cordial welcome to the members of Board of Management, invitees, and all my esteemed colleagues. I extend a very warm welcome to Srinivas Ramanujam, Academics Relationship Manager, TCS. I extend a cordial welcome to Benzene, Campus Lead, who is looking after the placements of the students of various engineering colleges, and he used to visit us always. He starts the placement process from SIT in Karnataka. I extend a very warm welcome to Sindhuja from TCS. Before I extend a very cordial welcome to my esteemed colleagues again. Before I conclude, I have a couple of appeals for parents and students. Dear students, our management is magnanimous in providing excellent infrastructure and appointed good faculty members. I thank the management profusely for all the encouragement and support. I appeal to all the students to make use of the facilities and expertise of the teachers. We encourage the students to convert their innovative ideas into startups by providing the facilities and mentorship in our newly started incubation center. In fact, one parent came to me few days back. He has taken electronics and instrumentation engineering branch admission for his ward. He has asked me, my son is highly innovative, what are the facilities and support you are giving to my ward? I said, if he has innovative ideas, he can have his own startup. We will provide all the facilities, and also we will provide the mentorship. And he was very happy. Therefore, on this occasion, I appeal to all the students to make use of this. Already we have 6 students group startup ideas, and 2 alumni ideas, and 1 idea from the faculty members. Therefore, start from first year. If you have innovative ideas, please convert into product and have your own startup in our campus. I invite all the parents to visit SIT as many times possible, or at least once in a semester. Also, please visit us whenever there is a request from us. Please regularly be in contact with the faculty members about your ward's progress in an effort to affirm the success. Students can achieve success when responsibility is accepted with sincerity and integrity and purpose. If we all work together and communicate effectively, your individual and institute goals can be attained. More importantly, this institute has taken a decision of not allowing any boarder in the hostel to own and use motorbikes and cars. The students are welcome to use bicycles, and let us follow the model of IITs in this regard, and let us save our ecosystem for future generation. Then Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation, had said cleanliness is next to godliness, and sanitation and cleanliness are more important than independence. Thus, cleanliness and sanitation are integral part of Gandhian way of living. To fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's vision, Swachh Bharat, Clean India, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji officially launched Swachh Bharat Abhiyan campaign, that is Clean India. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is very special to our Siddhganga Mutt and its institutions. Although this Abhiyan was officially launched on 2nd October 2014, it was informally launched on 24/9/2014 itself by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji when he visited our mutt, took blessings of His Holiness Dr. Shri Shri Shukumar Swami ji, and addressed the students of Sri Siddhganga Gurukula. We have earmarked 2 hours on every Wednesday between 4 to 6 p.m. in our timetable for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and I appeal to all the students to religiously participate in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan along with the teachers and staff members. I request all the heads of departments, faculty and staff members to lead the students in this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Thank you all.
I thank our beloved principal, Dr. Shivakumar Ayya, for welcoming the gathering and delivering the welcome address.